Hi, welcome to week 5. This is Dr. Swanberg, and I'm going to go over our week 5 with you. Remember, you're entering our course from the courses and avoiding that activity stream. So when you enter our course, remember that you should check the announcements and then go on ahead and click on our weekly assignments. And you go to the current week, and we, of course, are in week 5. All right, this week we are using our Criterion Editing software. This is something that I asked you to get set up in week 1. And if you need to back up to the week 1 Start Here menu to remember about that, please do. There's plenty of information about it here. Make sure you check this information and review it before you email me a question that's answered for you already. I certainly don't mind answering questions for you, but they should be questions that I haven't already answered. Okay, so check that week 1 Start Here information first, and then check your week 5 information, and then email me if you don't see the answer to your question there. There is a link to the editing software. The sign-up instructions that you need from me are here. It does ask you for an access code provided to you by your instructor. That's here as well as back in the Start Here menu. So here are the sign-up instructions. You will need both the access code I've provided to you here and the serial number that you purchased through the Lawson State Bookstore. So please make sure that you have both of those things. Both the link and the sign-up instructions have a link to Criterion. This is a video on how to use Criterion effectively. It's a strange little program. I don't love it, but we are required to use it. This is a requirement set by the English department, not by your individual instructors. Please don't contact me this week and tell me that you can't get Criterion. It's been required since week 1. We're now in week 5. It's the only thing I'm asking you to purchase for this class, and I'm required to require it of you. So there is no I can't get it. If you need to go wash somebody's car for $20 and purchase this software, please do that. And if you tell me you can't, I'm going to tell you to find a way, because we have to use it, and we have to use it this week. Okay, this is a video going over how to use it. We don't submit to Criterion. That's not the point. The point is to use Criterion's feedback through multiple submissions to take care of the issues that it finds for us in grammar, mechanics, and usage. And in order to see how to make changes in Criterion and see what changes Criterion is suggesting for you, please watch this video. Please watch it. It walks you through how to copy and paste into Criterion, how to get the feedback, how to get to a split screen where you can see the errors on one side and fix them on the other, and submit again to see if what you did changed it, and how to copy and paste out of it and into a Word document, all that stuff. So please make sure that you watch this video. It's really important. You can skip ahead if there's parts of the video that you already know, but please make sure that you're watching it enough to see what I expect. I do expect everyone to have multiple submissions in Criterion, not just submit once. If you only submit once, you didn't use any of Criterion's feedback. So I need to make sure that you're using multiple submissions there. And again, this video shows you how to do that. I've also got the MLA format rules here so that you can format your poetry assignments properly. It goes over what font to use, what margins, what the header should look like, and all that wonderful stuff. So make sure that you go over those MLA format rules as well. The week 5 poetry discussion is workshopping a piece of the essay that you are confused about. So what I'm asking you to do is take the thesis paragraph or the concluding paragraph or one of your source paragraphs or even the works cited list and put it in here, just that one piece. And then in a separate line or two, please explain your concerns about it so that we can help you with those concerns. Please don't put your whole draft here. That's not what we're working on. All right, you got feedback on your draft last week, or you'll get feedback on the draft that you put in last week, but we're working on a piece of it that you're concerned about this week. So just that piece, and then we'll help you with it. Your peers will help you with it, and I will help you with it. But if you just put something in and you don't tell me what you're concerned about, you don't necessarily get the right questions answered. So make sure that you put in just a piece that you are worried about, and ask the question. Tell me what you're worried about with it. Okay. There is a quiz on the requirements of this essay. Those requirements we went over in week 4, so make sure that you back up and check those requirements before you take this quiz. And then we have our poetry analysis final essay due Sunday, and that'll bring us to the end of our poetry unit. So again, the big things this week are getting signed up for Criterion. Please try to work on that early in the week. Again, I don't work weekends, so if you put this off until next weekend and then you encounter a problem, you're going to be in a really bad situation. And I don't want you to be in a bad situation. I want to be able to help you, but I'm going to help you Monday through Friday. And then if you've left it for the weekend, you might not get an answer from me. It's going to be a busy weekend here with my family, and I'm dedicated to them when I'm not at work. So please make sure that you get your Criterion signed up early in the week. Make sure you understand how to use it, and use it before Friday so that if you do have questions or problems using it, that you can get those questions answered. As always, if you are struggling or having a question or a problem, reach out to me to the email that is provided to you in the office and instructor contact information. You can also join one of our help sessions.